This video, we're going to talk about how do you create Facebook Reels with pictures only, not videos. It's really simple and brand new feature from Facebook. Before we jump into it, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, let's jump right into this. So here's the Facebook page, and you can see right here, this is a reel we created, and you will notice one, there is a music playing on this. I've turned it off or muted it, so you can hear me right now, but you can see these pictures are rotating. They're actually synced to the audio, and it's a really cool way. It gives you more options, more ways you can create reels content. And if you're like me, you should be focusing on reels for 2024 for more growth on your Facebook pages. That's a format that Facebook is pushing. Now, how do you do this? One thing I'll mention, so if you go to the normal on your page, if you click on create reel from here, look here, you can only add videos. So you're not going to be able to upload photos from here. So you're not going to use this. What you're going to do is click on Meta Business Suite. Once you click here, it's going to open a page, the business.facebook.com. If your Facebook and Instagram page are connected, you will see both of them here. Now on the home, if you scroll down, you actually might see here what's new in the Meta Business Suite. So create reels from your photos. Now you can make reels with your photos to help you engage your audience in a new way. So you can click here on create reel. Now here's what's interesting. See right now, the add video is enabled, but the add photos is not. And you can see photo reels are not enabled for Instagram right now. It may be in the future. Hopefully by the time you watch this video, this may be enabled. But now to be able to use it, turn off Instagram, because photo reels are only, you can only post them on Facebook pages, at least for now. Now click on add photos, and we're gonna go to upload photos. Let me select some of these, open. Oh, here is another thing you got to remember. To create a reel, you got to have at least 5 photos. So let's upload one more and open. Now I'm gonna have 5 photos, and here are those. If you scroll down, you're gonna be able to select different music, sync your photos to the audio. I like to turn that on, so that way my photo transition, it will be synced to the audio, so you can pick any song from here. I'm gonna mute this, and let's say I selected this song right here. Now scroll down, let's look at the other. Add your caption here. So I'm just gonna say test caption. You can add hashtags, emojis, stuff like that. You can pick a thumbnail for your reel from here. Here are the available photos, or you can actually upload your own image. So if you want to custom design a thumbnail, which a lot of people do, you can upload that from here. Then hit next. Now here's another cool thing. You can add text. So for example, if I add text, you'll see that text here. Watch right here. So you're able to do some minimum. Hopefully they'll improve this editor and we can do other stuff. But for now, you can add text. You can center align, left align. You can change the color, the background color. You can add more than one text. Also increase the font size. So you can do basic editing. And then hit next, and then you can share this reel right now, or you can schedule this or save this as a draft. Here are some other settings, and then once you're happy, click on share, and your reel will be posted. And as an example, the reel I showed you earlier, we actually created just like this. What this does is, to business owner, it gives you more options to create reels content, video content. A lot of time people are like, hey, we don't have anyone who can do video in our team, but they have pictures of their products, of their team, of behind the scenes stuff. So stitch them together, make them make sense, and you can still use one of the most growing feature, reels on Facebook pages, and grow your pages. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.